You run a hospital. That means you treat international patients who come to your emergency room. If they don't have funds to pay out of pocket, you get stuck dealing with international insurance companies. It's often unclear whether the patient is covered. And if you can't get the insurance to pay, you have no choice but to turn the account into self-pay or send it to a collection company. This costs you money. You send the invoice to the patient, but they don't respond. You send a few more reminders, but there is still no response. In most cases, the patient starts to get upset, and claims that should have been paid by the insurance company go uncollected. This may force you to stop accepting international patients altogether, or to designate them all as self-pay accounts. But hang on, these problems have a solution. What if you could accept international patients without any hassles and get your claims paid? What if you had a claims specialist who worked in your behalf, who dealt with international insurance companies and guaranteed payment? What if that same specialist also worked with patients as an advocate to assist them with insurance filing needs? That is PHI power. At Passage Health International, we get claims paid. By working with our international network, you can keep your hospital accessible to all patients with less hassle and more profitability. This is how it works. When you notify us about an international patient, we will let you know whether to treat the patient as self-pay or bill insurance. We know the good and bad payers based on historical data. We also track every insurance company's specific requirements. A service that appears to be covered, for example, may not because the patient failed to disclose a pre-existing condition. We verify benefits and obtain necessary prior authorization on your behalf to avoid claim denials on the back end. That's not all. Once we receive the bill, we check every line item to make sure that all of the billed services are correct based on physician orders and diagnoses. Submitting clean invoices means you avoid denials and receive prompt payment from insurance companies. Our clients have seen an increase in revenue by up to 20% thanks to our medical bill auditing service. You know what they say, how well you verify benefits will determine how much and how quickly you get paid. So let Passage Health International work as your advocate to improve your service and your bottom line.